Hello everyone, I am back and I am going to figure out textures. So we left the stream on that part, and let's figure out textures. And so we have DDS. I forgot what is it. Not file. Find. Find name. DDS. I don't know what file to use. Fieldstone. Let's do this one, yeah. Fieldstone RGB A. So let's see how we are loading it. Load texture. So texture handle. So load texture. And let's have load texture.hpp. PG FX texture handle include BGFX bgfx.h. Load texture HPP. So we need to find the that's a lot of code. Anyways, file. Get file reader. Interesting. Why it's like this? A reader entry. What the heck is entry? Oh my god. What is all this nonsense? Get file reader. S file reader. File reader, and it has. Oh my god. Over engineered mess. Okay, let's read the code. So essentially we need data, and we pass data to image parse. Image container. I'll put this. Why it's not including? Hmm. Hmm. So it should be like this. We are linking against image, so that's good, but I need to put it to what is it? I forgot what is the thing. Dot. Oh my god, what is it? Dot. Dear locals. Oh. We do not need allocator, but we need allocator for this one. Orientation. Mesh container. So we are not forcing orientation. It doesn't go anywhere, huh? Oh, it's a return value, I see. Unload data. Baby Yoda. Hello. Baby Yoda. I feel like I saw you somewhere. YouTube? Somewhere in comments, probably. Community. Maybe on Twitch? I don't know. No, nothing. Yeah. Maybe hallucinating. Maybe on Twitch. But I do not know where on Twitch. Maybe on Discord? Oh, my Discord is restarting. Anyways, info. So it's putting info. So we remove this part. Cubes map flags. What the? Create texture cube. Okay. So it's a flags to create the texture. Maybe I should pass them. Uint64. So flags like this. You have a lot of alternative accounts and hang out a lot of on programming channels. Locked out with 2FA. Wow, that's scary. I always paranoid to get locked out from my accounts. Image release callback. You had 200 followers, nice. So, not to have reader, so we need to just load file name in memory. Size used everywhere? Yeah, size is used. So, we just have to implement quick and dirty mem image container image release callback. What is this? Image release callback. That's kind of strange thing, but why not? Let's have this thing. Pointer is not used. It's like so strange. Name, set name. Okay, so we can do set string view. include string view. Okay, this part is working. You happy to what language you choose? I love C++. It's such a good language. I do not know why people do not like C++. Oh, plain C. Wow. With C or with C++? You have a love-hate relation with C or with C++? With C++? Yeah. I have with developers who write the code in C++. Data. So I think instead of inventing the wheel, I just load the whole content of the file in the string, and in this case we would not need to do unload data. Yeah, so I'll just ask how to read the whole file in C++ into stat string. So we would do that thing. So include fstream, include stream, file name, okay. I think I should do it this way. Return invalid handle. Okay. Alright, so I should put it like this. Okay. Cool. And now instead of data here we do content.data content.size. I think everything is pretty good except allocator. So let's look it up. how it's implemented. Hopefully it's not it's not very complicated. So t-pool allocator, pool allocator, allocator. So get allocator, get default allocator. Oh my. bx default allocator. Okay, so it's appear to be not very complicated. bx, I guess. bx allocator, okay. Image parse, image parse. Okay, so we can have without allocator, like this. It still didn't work. Date and size. Image container, allocator. So we still need allocator. Okay. So we do need allocator, but I guess I'll do static equals like this and like this. Date and size. Image container. Ah, here we go. Decode. Okay, so I need to include decode, be image decode. Okay. Decode. Hey. Okay. Image parse. Undefined reference. Interesting. Ah, so we need image decode release. Okay, it's compiled. Okay. So now we have load texture. We load the texture. So let's see. Shadow map. So load texture, and yeah, of course we should not forget to destroy. Ah, it's not used anywhere. Interesting. Just load it and destroy it, and that's it. Confusion. Yeah. Interesting. Hmm. Let's see. Okay, so there is a set texture. Okay, so what we need to do, set texture, and first we need to create a uniform handle. And uniform handle, okay, we can close with grep. Create uniform sampler, and then of course we should remember to destroy it. And then we set it. Set uniform, set texture. Actually, I think we can set it here. I guess it doesn't matter, we can set it here, texture, and GFX. Okay, and now we need to update shader, and it's gonna be fragment shader, textures, and we've got uniform back 4 s text color, and we just do s text color, and we do not need our color, so we can remove that thing. And let's see what would happen. Oh, I messed up. We should go to vertex shader. No. um, uniform sampler 2D texture. Oh, our texture text text cohort. Okay, so it's in both fragment shader and it what is the name? Sampler something. Sampler 2D. Sampler 2D. Sampler 2D. And then this is texture. Let's put vec2 for now. What? All right. V color 0. So let's remove this part. Guess we can remove it like this. This is typo, right? We should not have our color here. We need text coord. Yeah, it's not moving anymore, huh? It's not moving. That's odd. Waiting. Okay. Still not moving. Vertex shader textures. Vertex shader textures. So output. I am very confused. Vtex corn. Vertex shader textures. So this is uniform. So GL position plus offset. So this is a text score. Oh, we updated. We updated the so for now, so let's not do V color. And what we need to do, we need to V text coord, and we would say V text coord will GL. So let's do it like this for now. From vec4 to vec. Okay. XY. Yes. Yes. Oh man, I have to fix this this thing. So let's restart it. Oh man, why? Look at this beauty. Okay, so let's stick with the tutorial booka. So now they want to pass color and stuff, and what the result? The result actually like this, texture coords, and how do we do it? So we are not setting the oh yeah, I was born in Russia. It's little bit Russian. Green value, so we do not need this. Time value, go away. So here we should have float U and float V, but I do not know how I should set up layout here. I think it's a position to float. Okay. Yeah, it's a common name for texture coordinates. Yeah, it's a texture coordinates. UVs, yeah. And 1 1 1 0. Why there is a 4? Oh, it's a. You don't think it would be position for second one? No, it's a position, right? So if I understand this correctly, this is XYZ 3, right? And UV it's 2. I might be wrong. I might be misunderstanding things. So anyways, 0 5 text coord 0. Position text coord 0. Maybe. Okay, let's see. Copy. I'm wondering. Oh yeah, so it is text coord 0. Ah, look at this. This is exactly out. Text coord 0. Text coord 0. Okay. And where's the book? Book here. 5.5.5011. 0.5.5011. 0.5 negative 0.5 1 0. 0.5 negative 0.5 1 0. Negative 5 negative 5 0 0. Negative 0 0. And last one is negative 5 plus 5, and I assume 0 1. 0 1. Okie dokie. Okay, and oh, they call it ST. They did not provide what is it, indexes. Where is it? Where are indices? Let's see what we would see. Oh, it's not going to work. Oh, what is it? Vertex shader, texture, A position. Waiting. Back to A text chord. It's pretty sure I will see the star.def.sc text chord 0. Text chord 0, text chord 0. Oh, I see what's going on. So I call it color 0, and this is why it's messing things up. If I call it color 1, it should probably be good. Text chord 0 and vertex shader. Parallax occlusion mapping. I'm going to go through the book and I don't know if book has parallax occlusion. It have ambient what is it? Ambient occlusion, ambient something. Oh, parallax mapping. There is something with parallax. Yeah, but I'm here. So making really very little of progress. You subscribed. BGFX. Yeah, and yeah, I do not know if I'm going to do this sort of thing because I just got bored because it's was 2 weeks holidays, and I was playing games for 1.5 weeks, and then I just got bored, and I thought, okay, I learned Haskell, so I read the Haskell book, wrote the Tetris in Haskell, and then I wrote the Tour of Rust book, wrote the Tetris in Rust, and then I was laying down and thinking I should probably work on my game, but I had like this sort of resistance to start Unreal Engine, and I like Unreal Engine. It's quite good engine, but it's so heavy. It's like it takes forever. Then it's crashed. You have to restart it. It takes forever, and loading stuff takes forever. It's just like so heavy, engine, you need like a pretty powerful machine. I don't have $5,000 to get a good machine to run Unreal Engine without problems. I don't know if these machines exist in the world. And I was thinking, I cannot do anything. It's like probably I should write my own engine. And I was thinking, I just want to have like a just normal C++ experience, just write the code and like do things. And I asked AI, what can I do like if I just want to have like libraries and just connect libraries like a Lego blocks. And AI suggested me BGFX library for rendering. I think it's a mistake. I should probably not use it, but I kind of started doing this thing. Pretty fun to do, but yeah, so like it's very slow progress, and library is pretty solid. Like I don't think developers did make very good job of removing bloat from Vulkan and all like lower level graphical libraries. So this is only graphics. Yeah, BGFX is only graphics. It doesn't do anything else. So yeah, so it's a middleware, like a mid-level graphics engine, which is on top of all popular graphics engines like OpenGL, DirectX, Vulkan, Metal, WebGL. So you write this code. So this code is going to, with like some massaging, run on all these engines. Yeah, so you can specify the what backend to use. So you just put like a type and say like a use OpenGL backend, and also you can specify what card to use. Like sometimes you have multiple graphical cards, so you can specify which graphical card to use. So there is some parameters, and you like say okay, use Vulkan, and it will use Vulkan instead of OpenGL. And this is the shader language, which it will like you can generate the shaders based on this. Like this is like a middle level shader language, and you can generate shaders for different backends. Yeah, but I think for me, for what I want, it's too low level. But I will try to push forward and just first of all like try to get through this book. And anyways, it's helpful. Even like I'm not going to use it, it's good to know like how things are working in low level, right? So but I do not know, because today is the last day of the winter break, and tomorrow I'm going to work, and after work I'm going to be tired, and I don't know if I'm going to continue to with studying. So TLDR, I'm not giving you too much hope. My stream is going to be that interesting in the future. So okay, let's go through the book. I do not see. So texture coordinates. Meet maps, generating texture. So the loaded image, and this is like, where are tricky due to math? Yeah, but it is matrix sense. Like there is libraries you can just abstract all this, and you just multiply matrices, so it should be fine. Yeah, rotation is hard because you never know the order of multiplication in which direction you have to multiply matrices. So I never know. I'll just like put like A times B. Oh, it doesn't work. Okay, it's a B times A. Okay, so this like a setting up is quite super cumbersome. So you have to have two shaders, and there is like a glue shader varying definitions, and it's text coords. So A text coords, and then we have vertex shader textures, text coords, and we just push it like this, and it's crashed. So failed A text coord. Oh, okay. A text coord 0. And this is our famous output. There is nothing. A text coord, V text coord, texture. Nowadays I mainly write C and Go, but my main project in C++. Just haven't updated in a while because you're taking a break. Oh man, I would love to have a break. Texture, frac color, texture, S text color, S text. Jail position, V text coord. Uniform offset, output V text coord, input V text coord. S text color. Custom UI design. Wow, nice. That's cool. I don't know. I think I would enjoy to do this sort of things. And you worked on it for 3 years. How many hours a day or a week? I don't know. Do security and obfuscation. This part I'm not big fan to do obfuscation. Encryption is fine. It is fun, yeah. I asked for SIMD. So you were doing a SIMD it's assembly, right? Assembly instructions. Yeah. I had with help of AI, I kind of get into it. I wrote a streamer. Why is it not a streamer? Screencast, and wrote the RGB to YUV routine using SIMD instructions. Yeah, it was surprisingly good. It's bring me to 90%, and then it's stuck with the words. I think it's stuck with something and just could not figure out stuff. So I ended up reading what all this meaning of all these instructions, and like figure out last 10%. But it was quite cool. So the RGB to YUV conversion was like very fast. I do not remember. It was like 1 millisecond, something like this, or 3 milliseconds. Anyways, it was like enough for me to run 60 frames per second. Yeah. Nowadays, like AI, I used to do AI for vibe coding, but like I kind of gave up on it. And now I think it's very good way to learn stuff. So because you can progress very fast. Then you are normally learning, you kind of stuck on something which everybody knows, but like you're learning by yourself, and you have to find it on Google or like ask on forums, and this iteration is very slow. And with AI, you just like, okay, I don't know, this thing is not working, and this is like a common knowledge in the area what you are learning, like in Rust or in like our languages, in Haskell, right? With BGFX, it's a little bit harder because apparently it's not used very well. So like I'm asking questions to AI and just like doesn't know, and like there is a simple full bits, like you should not put like a semicolon here. If you put semicolon, it's just not going to work, and you just going to spend a lot of time debugging, and like compiler is not going to help you. It just doesn't work, and doing something weird. Yeah, you do need internet, unfortunately. So like you cannot just go to some remote place, like for some camping place, and it's like, okay, I want to disconnect myself and study something, and you stuck somewhere, and that's it. Yeah, I also kind of trying to not to use. I used to use AI for ideas, but what I found, you it's like it's giving you good enough ideas, and you're kind of sticking with it, and it's might be good for like engineering task, but for game development you have to have something original, like some sort of twist, some humor, which AI is very bad at. So you kind of getting good enough idea, and like you're sticking with it, and you are not knowing what you are missing of. So I'm kind of for creative tasks, for creative stuff, I phasing out and trying not to use AI to help with creative ideas. Yeah. Anyways, we stuck. Like right now we stuck. We have the code, but like we have that thing. So sampler x text sampler to the s text color. So we've got the texture, vertex, shader, texture. Fragment, shader, texture. So position, color 0, text coordinate 0. So we are not getting color 0, a text coordinate 0. So I think we should do it this way. So I removed color. Nope.
I had already pre-planned it on a notepad, but I just needed ideas on how to make it fun. And to give real-world analogs to my currencies cause, I just had them written them as a C1, C2, C3. Like I was working on a currency system, and I used it to determine what kind of items I should add to it.
Currency system. A position, a text coordinates. Offset. Doesn't do thing. Textures, pose, vertex, layout, text coordinate, position, two floats.
Yeah, because I have a bot where people can earn currency by chatting in a Discord server, and they can use the currency to buy vanity items or to buy a subscription to a service. While chatting in chat, VC, inviting people, etc.
Can earn currency in Discord server, and they can use the currency to buy vanity items to buy. Oh, it's kind of cool thing. Some virtual currencies. As usual, we stuck here and I do not know what did I do wrong. Vertex layout, float UVs, provided coordinates correctly. You know what, we can check it out. That thing. Aha! Okay, it was you know what it was. So 0 to 1 0. Yeah, CCV and control clockwise stuff. Yeah, that one. So 0 to 1. So it's 0 to 1, and we need 0 free 0 free 2 0 free 2 0 free 2 6 0 2 free darn, I need visual aid. Okay, Blender. Two one free. 2 1 free. Nope. Try list. Yeah, let's check. Grease pencil. Okay, so we have 0.5 0.5. So this one, this is 0 0.5 minus 0.5. This is 1. Minus 0.5 minus 0.5. This is 2. And this is 3, right? And we did 0 to 1, 0 to 1, and we need 0 free 2. 0 free 2. 0 free 2. What's going on? So let's do 0 free 0 to 1, 0 free 2 to 1. What's going on? 0 to 1, 0 free 2. Maybe BGFX state triangles. Set state. Try strip, try point, try strip. Oh, there is no tries. Oh, I see what the problem. Try strip, primitive type, pt try strip. Why you're not happy? bg fx. Yeah, I don't think there is a try, so I need to make the try strip here. So it's gonna be 5 items. 0 to 1. So we need to do 2, 1, 0 and 3, 2. No, there is no triangles. See, there is a try strip lines and points. There is no triangles. 2, 1, 0, 3, 2. 2, 1, 0, 3, 2. Okay. It doesn't work. What's going on? Try list. Okay, let's do lines. Huh. That's interesting. Two, 1, 0, 3, 2. Two, 1, 0. What it's drawing? Something else is going on. Two, 3. Ah, it's a lines. Okay, lines make sense. 2, 1. What is 2, 1? 2, 1 is a bottom one. Makes sense. What is 1, 0? 1, 0, it's this one. That's right. What is 0, 3, I think, right? 0, 3 is the top one, right? Oh, what? Zero, 3 should be top one. Did I put coordinates incorrectly? 0, 3, it's Oh, it's a vertical. Oh. Free is this is free. Oh. Oh. Okay, so free is wrong. Should be minus here and plus here. Here we go. So 21032 21032 and try strip. Finger crossed. Yes. Okay, let's try. I think it says by default it's triangle, so you do not need to specify a state, and by default it's triangle 320. So let's see. 6. Yes. So it was a typo here, so I put the coordinates incorrectly and spend a lot of time debugging. Okay, so let's see. So we have texture. Oh yeah, so now we should be able to mix frag color, text coordinates, angles. Frag color, our color. Okay, so they want to rainbow one, right? So we want to rainbow one. Fragment shader textures, and we put like a this thing. GL. Input. Our color. Ah, so now I need to extend it with colors. Okay. Color. Fragment shader. What is it? Vertex shader textures. A position, a color. Color equals a color. Oh, it's a color 0. Okay, a color 0, a color 0. V color 1. V color 1. Fragment shader textures. V color 1. V color 1. Okay, it's crashed. I'll take our texture. Too much data in the type constructor. What? Too much data in type constructor. So is it like this stuff? Hmm. Is it this thing? V color 1. Why you're not happy about V color 1? Too much data in type constructor. Oh man, just swamping for all this stuff. What this error means. What the meaning of the error. So let me drag and drop all these shaders. So this one, this one, this one. Oh my. Ha ha ha. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, sometimes you're useful. So it's a V-swing. Textures. So V color 1 and A color 0. So it's a black, which is probably oh yeah, this is expected. So if I put here vec4 1 1 1 1, yeah, so that's good. And now we need to go to the C++ code. Texture. Texture. And put here uint 32t color, and we would add probably should put color 1 here. Color is 0 for uint 8 u8 vertex layout. Let's look at the documentation. Color 0. Type, element type. Uint, oh, it's I lowercase. Okay. So I'm surprised it's compiled. Oh, there is warnings, I see. It does compile, but with warnings. 0x That's interesting. Hmm. What's going on? Man, why it takes so much effort? FS textures fragment shader. Times V color. Let's remove this for now. V color 1. Color 0. How it's in the previous what it was, shaders tutorial. Uint 52 color 04 uint. Oh, there is a true here. What is this true? 4. Yeah. What is this true here? Yeah. Would it fix the thing? It did indeed. What is this true? Color 1 times texture. Yeah. And normalized, and using fixed point attribute value will be normalized for vertex. There will be range 0, 1 and vertex shader. Packaging rule for vertex pack, vertex u pack and vertex conversion. Side the vertex shader. Okay. So it was not normalized and it was just blowing up the, yeah. Makes sense. Textures. So we've got this one. Oh, there is a blending. texture 1 and texture 2. So let me get the texture 1 and texture 2. So let me try to add some 256, 256. Yeah, let's do smiley face. Ooh. So I do not know if it's gonna understand PNGs or not. Export project, no engine, so let's call it smile PNG export. Discard changes. So smile texture, load texture, smile .png, smile uniform equals bgfx, create uniform, smile bgfx uniform type sampler. GFX set texture 1 smile uniform, smile texture. I think it should be 0. Yeah. Okay, so everything should compile. Now I think it's only in the fragment shader texture, so we just set the smile texture, or just smile, I forgot already. Smile, just a smile. And mix texture smile with text chord 0.2. Hey, but smile is upside down. And I don't think I see the brick. There is no brick. 0.8. Hmm. Yeah, there is no brick. Huh. Let's see what is first parameter. Set texture. Stage. What is stage? Texture unit. Sampler. Handle. Program sampler. Texture unit, program sampler. Set texture. So there is a two version. Stage. Uniform handle, sampler, texture handle. What the heck is stage? Texture unit. Compute stage. What the heck? texture color. Nothing is like, what I'm doing wrong now. If I swap this. Huh. If I swap these. I don't know. If I put one here. What? Now it's working. Interesting. Oh man, I do not understand anything. I honestly do not know, like, why it's not, why one works. It's like, why we need it. I do not know. So we can flip it here. 0 1 1 0. Yeah, now it's like flipped. Experiment with different texture wrapping method. Try to display only center pixel of texture image and rectangle in such a way that by changing texture coordinates, try to. I do not understand assignments. Mix function per parameter vary the amount of two mixture visible. Transformations. Oh my god, we are on transformations now.
We now know how to create objects, color them, and slash or give them a detailed appearance using textures, but they're still not that interesting since they're all static objects. We could try and make them move by changing their vertices and reconfiguring their buffers each frame, but that's cumbersome and costs quite some processing power. There are much better ways to transform an object, and that's by using multiple matrix objects. This doesn't mean we're going to talk about Kung Fu and a large digital artificial world. Matrices are very powerful mathematical constructs that seem scary at first, but once you'll grow accustomed to them, they'll prove extremely useful. When discussing matrices, we'll have to make a small dive into some mathematics, and for more mathematically inclined readers, I'll post additional resources for further reading. However, to fully understand transformations, we first have to delve a bit deeper into vectors before discussing matrices. The focus of this chapter is to give you a basic mathematical background in topics we will require later on. If the subjects are difficult, try to understand them as much as you can and come back to this chapter later to review the concepts whenever you need them.
Um, so let me rename this thing to bricks. Okay, let's make the commit textures. Oh my god, it's getting hot. So this is all not interesting. Cross product matrices, scalar products, multiplication, identity, scaling, translation, rotation, combining GLMs stands for OpenGL Mathematics and headers on library, which means transform, uniform transform. GLM. Now we can close this one. Oh, what's going on? I need to fix it. I do not know if I have GLM. So there is bindings, examples. Yeah, so there is a matrices. So U light MTX, right? Examples. Oh, there is a third party. Why my laptop is making noises? Updater. Updater is running. Right? Chrome. Oh, something on Chrome. form task manager. Twitch. Why my laptop is spinning fans? Anyways. U underscore inf MVP. Interesting. MTX mul, MTX inverse. So I think I'll go sleep. I guess. We'll see if I'll have energy tomorrow after work to continue on that. It's quite swampy. Takes forever to go from one chapter to another chapter, and yeah, I don't know. We're here, and it's took, I don't know, maybe 6 hours to get to here. Yeah, it's gonna take a lot of hours to finish the book, and this is like all easy part. So there is nothing complicated, just requires like a very specific, accurate way to implement things, and if you make the mistakes, like nothing helping you, it just doesn't work. There is no diagnostics, it just doesn't work. And diagnostics as well, not very helpful. It does not give you like a line where error happens. I don't know if I'm happy with all this stuff. Hopefully you just set it up once, like set up the pipeline, rendering pipeline, and like forget about it and like never touch it. And this is not what I'm interested in, like rendering. I'll just would love to get like something off the shelf, and it just like you just shove data in it and it just renders for you. But I understand, like I think because I would want to build like the world scene building my way, and like if you get the renderer, it would have like its own way to set up the scene. Yeah, I do not know. Anyways, I'm going to end the stream, and I do not know if I will continue with this stuff. Maybe I will, maybe I will not. We would see. And thank you for watching, and hopefully see you next time. Bye.